Hello and welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. In our session today, we are applying the distributive property over addition. And if you want to see how this rule is applied, let's get started. So in our question today, we are going to be using the distributive property to simplify the expression that we have here, which is 7, and then we have 6 plus 5 all in parentheses. Now I'm going to show you how you can simplify this expression using the distributive property, and then I'm going to go back and show you how you can use PEMDAS to even check the answer that you're going to use. Now when using the distributive property, remember the distributive property tells us that we're distributing our term, which in this case is 7, to everything on the inside of our parentheses. So that means that 7 will be distributed to both 6 and to 5. And when we talk about distribution, that means that 7 is going to be multiplied to both 6 and to 5. So we're going to be multiplying the product of 7 times 6 and then adding that to the product of 7 times 5. So this is what the distributive property is telling us to do. We're going to be multiplying 7 times 6, which would be 42, and then adding that to the product of 7 times 5, which is 35. And after we've done our distribution, we're now going to apply our addition. So 42 plus 35 is going to give us 77. So this is using our distributive property. Now the good thing about when you have questions such as this one using the distributive property, you can always go back and use PEMDAS, because remember that PEMDAS tells us that we solve our parentheses first and then we move on to our multiplication. So remember that we're going to work with our parentheses first, and when 6 is added to 5, this will give us 11, and then when 7 is multiplied to 11, that will equal to 77. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. I hope you are able to apply the distributive property to your question and solve or simplify the expression to the best of your ability. And remember that when you want to learn more about the distributive property, make sure that you return back to Jules Math Tools, where we make math easy.